Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video you are going to learn another automation, and this automation will let you send donation request links to donors on WhatsApp for any fundraising event or for any noble cause or for any NGO, and that is going to happen automatically. So guys, if you are running a NGO or if you want to collect money for any reason using donation links, you can use this automation and it will let you collect the donations quickly and easily. So let me show you on my screen now. Here you can see we are using Donately application to create donation campaigns and to create the donation links. Okay, and as and when you create a campaign in Donately, our automation is going to check the donor details that you have in a spreadsheet application in Google Sheets, and after that the WhatsApp messages with the donation links will be delivered to all the donors automatically on WhatsApp. Yes guys, so you do not have to manually share the donation links and the campaigns with the donors. It will easily and quickly let you collect the donations with the help of this automation. So guys, here we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So to set up this automation guys, first of all you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, from here you have to create a workflow. So just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So here I'm giving the name as send donation links to donors on WhatsApp. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find the trigger and the actions, which are the basic building blocks of this automation. Here the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in this use case, the trigger would be creation of a fundraising event from this Donately application, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the donations link on WhatsApp to donors. Okay, so first of all you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose Donately application. Here it is selected. Okay, and in the trigger event guys, you have to select new campaign option. Okay, and then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API token key and the password. Okay, so you can read here, you have to enter your API token and you have to leave the password field blank. Okay, and to find the tokens you need to reach the settings of Donately application, and in the integration section you will find it. Let me show you. This is my Donately applications dashboard, and here you can see when you scroll down here on the left hand side, we have the settings option and we have this integrations tab. Click on integrations. So guys, under the integrations page you will find this Donately API tab right here. Click on it, and here you can see we have this button written as show API token. Click on this button, and here is the API key. So you can just copy this key like this, and you have to paste this key here in this field. Okay, and you have to leave the password field blank, and now click on save and you will be connected with Donately. Okay, so you can see the account is already selected here. Okay, account's name. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a campaign in Donately that will be a test campaign just to set up this automation. Okay, and after that we are going to capture the response of that campaign here by clicking on this save and send test request button. Okay, so guys, when you click on save and send test request here, it will start showing waiting for the response. And then now we have to do a test submission. Test submission means we need to create a new campaign inside Donately application, and the data of that campaign will be captured here, and that data will act as a test data for us. Okay, so let me create a campaign in Donately. So guys, you can see under the fundraising section we have this campaigns option. So from here we can create a new campaign. So I am clicking on new here, And from here I'm going to create a general simple campaign, so I'm clicking on continue from here. All right, and here you can see you can give a name to this title. So let's say I want to create a campaign for plantations. Okay, tree plantations. Okay, so I'm giving the title as, let's say, fundraising for tree plantations. Okay, this is the title, and here you can add a content for creating this campaign page. Let me type content. So guys, here I have given a title, here I have written a small description, here I have changed the campaign status, this is the campaign's goal, and this is the social media description, and here you can add a header image for this campaign, a thumbnail image as well. Right now I'm leaving these things blank. You can customize this campaign according to you. I'm just showing you the demo. So let's publish this campaign, guys. So I'm clicking on publish campaign. Okay, so you can see a campaign is created. You can see the campaign by clicking on this view page option, and your campaign page will open up. Okay, so this is our new campaign, and now let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of this campaign or not. So here you can see in this workflow we got the data here. It is showing the created timestamp of the campaign. Okay, and here you can see it is showing us the title of the campaign. Okay, and you will find here all the things related to the campaign as well as the donation link. And guys, here you can see in this data we got this object data URL label, in which we have the URL or the link of the campaign page. From here people can reach our campaign and donate. Okay, so this is the link that we are going to send to our donors on WhatsApp. So guys, here you can see I have created a spreadsheet, and here I have the list of our previous donors, or we have the list of some famous donors. Okay, so you can create such list here, and if you are into NGO, you will have the data of your donors inside a spreadsheet like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to capture the data from this spreadsheet to here in our workflow, so that we can send the WhatsApp messages to the donor. For that, use this actions tab, and from here select Google Sheets application. Okay, so here in the action event I'm going to use this get rows option. So it will retrieve the rows from the sheet based on the specified range. Okay, select this option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from this window guys select the Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, right, now click on continue from here, and you will be connected with your spreadsheet. So we are getting connected here. Okay, so we are connected now, and here it is asking to select the spreadsheet's name. So this is the spreadsheet, the name of which is COVID Relief Fund. Okay, and the sheet's name is members. Okay, so here I'm going to click here on this field, and it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets I have created in Google Sheets application. From here I'm going to search for my sheet, which is COVID Relief Fund, which is here. I have selected it, and you can see the sheet's name is here now, members, and now it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So guys, to find the range you need to reach your spreadsheet, and from this second row actually, where you have started filling these name, emails and phone numbers of the donors, start selecting the data like this. Select this cell, then this, and keep on selecting till the last row that you have. So when you are done selecting the data, in the name box you will find this code A2:C8. So this is the range of data. This means that we have the data here starting from column A, row 2nd, and it is ending on column C, row number 8. Okay, so this is the range. You can just copy it from here, and you can put it this range here. Okay, now guys, I'm going to click on save and send test request, and the data from our spreadsheet will be captured here in the workflow. But before that, just remember to toggle this simple response button to off. Why we are doing this, I'll tell you. Now click on save and send test request. and you can see we have received the response like this, and in this response result label we got the data in this array format. So we got this data in this format because we have toggled this button to off. And now we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called Iterator. And what Iterator will do, Iterator will arrange the data in row by row format, and Iterator will make this workflow run row by row starting from the first row. So first of all, it is going to send the payment link or the donation link for the first person, then to the second, then third, then fourth, and so on. So that's the function of Iterator. So now just click here on this plus icon and choose Iterator feature here like this. Okay, and it works on array only. So here it is asking to choose the array. So here we have received the data in array format in this response result label. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here. So when you click here, it will show you automatically the array in this drop down from the Google Sheets tab. So you can select it from here only, and now click on save and send test request. And here you can see it started showing the data of the first row that we have. So that's how it is going to work for the first person, then for the second, then for the third, and so on. So guys, now we can send a message to this person, this dummy person, on the WhatsApp number, because we got the WhatsApp number here in this label. Okay, so just click here on this plus icon, and now to send the message on WhatsApp, we need to connect with WhatsApp here in this actions tab. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's application programming interface or the API. So guys, to get the access, we are going to use a platform of Facebook which is called WhatsApp's Cloud API. It is recently launched for businesses and for people to connect their numbers with the API of WhatsApp and send transactional messages and other kind of messages on WhatsApp, right? So first of all, you need to connect your number with the WhatsApp's API using that platform. And if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description, guys. And in that video, we have clearly explained how you can connect your WhatsApp number with the API, Cloud API of WhatsApp, right? So after connecting your number, you can use the Cloud API feature here. So here I am choosing WhatsApp Cloud API now, which is here. Okay. And in the action event, choose this send template message option, then click on connect. And from here, if you're making the connection with the Cloud API for the very first time, select add new connection. And here you can give a name to this connection as well. Okay. And here it is asking for the permanent access token of the Cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, to know more about these details and how to make connections inside Cloud API or inside Pabbly Connect with Cloud API, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here, first of all, you will find these two videos. So first video is for setting up the Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. You can watch this. And second video is for generating the permanent access token. You can watch this also, and you can generate a token. All right. And guys, to find these things, I can show you my Cloud API setup. Here it is. So after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe and you have to paste the token here. Okay, and here you can see in my Cloud API setup, first of all, they gave you temporary access tokens. So these temporary tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent one. So want to know how to do that? You can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. Here is the video, and then you can generate it. After that, copy that and paste it here. And guys, generating the token is a one-time process. You have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also in future. And guys, for the phone number ID, you can see we have this phone number ID here. You can just copy it from here and paste it here like this. Similarly, you can find this business account ID here, copy it, paste it here. And after filling all the details, click on save and you will be connected with the Cloud API setup. And guys, that the connection you are making here by this process is going to be saved in your account. And after that, if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow in future, you can use that same connection that you have already created at first. Okay, so I have created many connections with my Cloud API setup previously, so I can use my existing connections. For that, I just have to click on this select existing connection option, and here it will show me this select connections option. And when I'm going to click here, you can see it is showing us the list of all the previous connections I have. and from here I'm going to choose any of my connection like this, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are connected again with the Cloud API setup. Okay, and here it is asking for the templates name. So guys, let me tell you that first of all you need to create some message templates inside the Cloud API setup and get them approved by Facebook, and after that you can use those standard message structures to send messages on WhatsApp via your workflow. Okay, so if you want to know how to create templates, you can watch the video from the description guys, and you will get to know everything about that. So guys, this is the template message I am using for this purpose. Okay, so here you can see the preview of this message. So when we are going to use this template, the message will appear like this on WhatsApp. Here it is saying, Dear Roger Binney. So this is just a sample name of any person. Today I'm writing to ask you to support tree plantation. To donate, use this link. Thank you for joining the tree plantation drive. So this is the kind of message we want to send to our donors. Okay. And guys, here in place of this name, in place of this Roger Binney and this link, we are going to place the name of our donor and the donation link that we have created with the help of Donately. Okay, so to get these things changed automatically with every new message, we have to place some body fields or variable text inside the message template like this. You can see in the body box, we have this 1, 2, 3, and 4 body fields or variable tags here in these double curly braces. Okay, so to know how to place these tags here, you can watch the video from the description guys, and after that you can create these kind of templates. So let me select this template from this template name field. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the templates that you have. From here, search for your template. So my template is this. Let me show you, donate link final. So I'm going to search for it here, donate. Here it is, select it. All right, and after selecting the link, selecting the template, you have to come here on this recipient mobile number field, and here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of your donor. So we have received the donor's details here in this second step from our spreadsheet, and we have arranged the data with the help of iterator here. So from this iterator step, I'm going to map this mobile number label. So to map it here, just click on this field and it will show the previous 3 steps in the drop down. So from this third step, map the mobile number label like this. Okay, and you have to map the number in this format. You can see with a country code. 91 is for India. You have to enter your country code and without any plus sign. Okay, and here it is asking for the body fields. Okay, so let's map the body field values. So guys, to change the values of these body fields automatically with every new message, we need to map the values here. Okay, so first body field is for the name of the person, name of the donor. So we are going to find out the donor's data from the iterator step. So I'm mapping this name. Okay, similarly the second body field is for let me see. Okay, so here we are going to enter the cause of this fundraising. Okay, so our cause is tree plantation. Okay, so I have added tree plantation here. Let's see in the okay, thank you for support tree plantation. To donate, use this link. Okay, so here I am going to map the link from the first step, from the donately trigger step. Okay, so here we'll find this data object URL label in which we have the URL of the payment or the donation page. Okay, or the fundraising page I have mapped here. And here let's say what is in the fourth body field, thank you for joining. So here you can put the name of your NGO. So here I'm putting Pabbly NGO. Okay, so you can put any name, your NGO's name or your organization's name. Okay, I'm just showing you the demo. So I have mapped the data. So the data that you have mapped are going to change automatically with every new message. And guys, here you can see this is not an actual WhatsApp number. So here I'm going to enter my WhatsApp number manually to show you the demo how the message is going to look like. And after that, I'm going to click on save and send test request, and the test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number that I'm going to enter here. So let me enter the number and let me click on save and send test request so that I can show you the message. So guys, this is the response we have received, and you can see we have received a new WhatsApp message, and the message is this. It is saying, dear dummy name, today I'm writing you to ask you to support tree plantation. This is the donations link. So when the donor is going to click on this link, he will be redirected to this page here, okay, the campaign page, and from here he can donate to our cause. Okay, and you can see in place of the body fields, we have the name placed, we have the cause placed, we have the link placed, and here we can see the name of the NGO. Okay, right, so these are the kind of messages will be received by our donors, okay, automatically on creation of a campaign from Donately. Okay, so we are done setting up the automation, guys. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to create any campaign in Donately, the WhatsApp messages will be delivered to the contacts that you have in your Google Sheets or the donors you have in your Google Sheets automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.